As a singer, the harmonic, melodic, and lyric content will give me all the information that I need to sing a song. Elements such as dynamics, phrasing, tempo, vibrato, vocal tone, style, etc. are all based on the context of the song. And having an understanding of the intention of the lyrics, the meaning of the lyrics in relation to the melody and the harmony and the style of that song that you're singing is integral to be able to deliver the intention that you want to your audience. So why don't we use those elements when we speak? Now, I'm not suggesting that you sing your pitch or your presentation, but a lot of these elements are going to work just as well for speaking as they do for singing. Let's have a look at them now. But before I do, don't consider actually subscribe, like, comment, whatever tickles your fancy. Let me know how you feel about the channel, the videos, what you'd like to see or hear more of, whether I'm on the right track, whether I'm helping you discover your authentic voice or not. Hi, I'm Jimmy Cannon, speaking coach, and I help people who aren't necessarily comfortable in their voice become a more authentic speaker. So here are 5 tips that I'd like to share with you today on this video, not yesterday or tomorrow, but today on this video, that are going to help you become a more confident, literate, and more articulate speaker. Coming up. Number 1 is style. Now, whether it's a presentation, a story, whether you're with friends at a bar, whether it's a dissertation, or you're presenting something to a group of people or your colleagues in a meeting, this will depend on the tone of voice you use to communicate that information. Now, phrasing is number 2, and that's going to add some musicality. It's going to add possibly some urgency to your speech. Politicians, for instance, use this all the time to deliver their agenda. Number 3 is dynamics, and this is going to stop you from sounding monotone and boring. It's going to create more energy and therefore more engagement. Number 4 is inflection, and that's going to help you emphasize key words and emotions to help you convey your exact intentions to your audience. How quickly you talk has a huge effect on the listener. Too quick can zone the listener out. Too slow can bore the listener to death. So find your natural pace. So why not try using your intro, for example, and put that into practice? Let's recap. Number 1 is the style of the presentation. Is it a pitch, dissertation, meeting, etc., conference, etc.? Phrasing, how you use melodic phrasing to make your pitch much more interesting. Dynamics, to stop being boring and monotone. Let's get some dynamics working and let's get some energy into the room. Number 4 is inflection. So whether you're asking a question or you're making a statement or you're just being very precise about your choice of emphasis on certain key words. And number 5 is pace. Most people speak far too quickly. They're nervous, they're running over themselves, and they're running over their thoughts. So think about slowing down your pace. If you'd like to find out about how you can improve your communication skills and engage more effectively with your audience, then do get in touch for a free discovery call and to find out how I can help. Speak soon.